guests, my dear students. It's indeed a pleasure, privilege, honor and delight to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest and everyone present here in this august house. We all know that intellectual property rights has been a matter of sincere concern amongst the intellectual fraternity all over the world since decades, centuries, and since ages. We all know that we have an international body called WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, having a website, wipo.int. India has been doing its own set of initiatives to make sure that we as a country, we are recognized internationally in the domain of IPRs, patents, designs, and so on and so forth. In our commitment to achieve excellence in all the domains of academics, research, patents, incubations, commercializations, and allied areas, let me congratulate the entire team of faculty colleagues and particularly our startup center under the leadership of Mr. Kumoji, who has been pioneering the mission of the startups as well as innovation and CSR as well. To get a better ranking in the various institutional rankings, as well as one of the latest rankings, which we know it as ARIA rankings, which is based on research and innovation. It's important for us as an institution to focus more and more on IPRs and patents and allied areas. So I have been consistently motivating the entire team of faculty colleagues. Let us do wonders in the land of Bihar, which was the first giver of university to the world. We were one of the first movers and shakers of the intellectual property throughout the planet Earth. So here is the time and opportunity for us to regain the past glory and set new benchmarks of excellence in the domain of knowledge, skills, competencies, and allied areas, and make sure that whatever knowledge which we are creating, let us get it patented in our name so that nobody else is going to misuse. I'll give you a small example so that we all understand the importance. We all have been listening about turmeric and its important, healing impact. Then the US was doing its own bit of efforts to make turmeric patented in their name, which was initially or since ages has been the product of our country. So it's important for us to know what is an IPR, what do we mean by IPR, how do we go ahead, the moment we get an idea, how to share it to the right person, how to make the initial draft, how to submit it to the patent office, and how to document it, how to make the payment of the fees, and finally how to get the patent in our name. So that there have been multiple instances that the person who actually did the innovation and invention or discovery and could not get it patented in his own name. It was patented by somebody else. So it's important for us to understand that how important is IPR, what is the process of getting it registered with the Indian Patents Office. And let me share with you with great pride and privilege, honor and delight that a lot of Indians, they're getting the patents done in US, Australia and so forth. And I have one patent with Australian Patent Office. That was in the field of agriculture with my colleague who was doing a research pertaining to potato. Now, the most important aspect, we are blessed to have with us Mr. Aditya Kashyap, who will talk about the finer intricacies about the entire people process technology dimensions, how to get a patent registered, what should be the process followed, what shall be the formats to be used by us, and last but not the least, what are the various checks and balances to be taken care of. So with these words, I just once again formally welcome our chief guest and look forward to the valued deliberations. Over to you. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir. Before our guest, Mr. Aditya Kashyap, deliver his address, I would like to give a brief intro about him. Sir is a BTech in Computer Science from Delhi Technological University and is currently working as an examiner for patents and designs for the Indian Patent Office, Government of India for last 3 years. Sir has conducted many seminars on IPR awareness under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So, with a big round of applause, I would like to invite our guest, Mr. Aditya Kashyap, to the lectern for his keynote address on intellectual property right awareness.
Very good morning to all of you, and a very good evening to all the professors who are here. And my name is Aditya Kashyap, and I am working as an examiner of patent and design in Patent Office Kolkata, and I am going to deliver you a session on IPR. I hope you all know what IPR is. If not, rest assured, after this seminar you will know what IPR is and what are the importance of IPR in the nations and for you also. So before proceeding with the sessions, I would like to extend a sincere gratitude towards the CIMP and AICTE for conducting this session on such a short notice. I would also like to thank Professor Rajiv Verma for arranging all the things in such a short notice with such a grace. So let's start with the IPR. So after hearing the word IPR, what comes in your mind? That IPR stands for intellectual property rights. So what are intellectual property rights and how it is different from the other rights? So IPR is basically intellectual property rights. Intellectual means when you are using your brain to get the things done. So suppose you are writing a thesis or you are writing a research paper, then you are using your brain to get that work done. So that means you are using an intellectual to get the work done. So what are rights? So are rights given a legal entitlement given and accepted by the Government of India. So जैसे कि कोई भी हक जो हमें सरकार द्वारा प्राप्त किए जाते हैं उन्हें राइट्स बोला जाता है. अब प्रॉपर्टी की बात करते हैं तो प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में हम जानते हैं कि हमने सबने फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी सुनी होगी, जैसे कि लैंड, कार, बस, ये सारी गोल्ड, ये सारी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी के नाम है. So what about our intellectual property? Suppose some idea, some your creativity, your imagination, that also can be protected under the IPR regime. So before going forward with the IPR, so let's talk about property. So property are of two types basically, tangible and intangible. So tangible property is which we can touch, we can feel. So जैसे कि हमारा कोई घर का लैंड है या फिर प्लॉट है तो हम उसको गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से रजिस्टर करवाते हैं ताकि इससे पता लगे कि हाँ दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ दैट लैंड बिलोंग्स टू मी. सो व्हाट अबाउट intangible properties? So your idea can be registered with Government of India so that no one without your permission can use it and misuse it, so that you can register your idea with the Government of India. So for examples, your inventions, your artistic work, anything which is the creation of your mind is intangible property. So जब भी जैसे कि हमारा कोई चीज़ होती है या फिर कोई लैंड है तो जब भी हमारी किसी से लड़ाई होती है तो उस लड़ाई में हम या फिर किसी से भी कुछ प्रोड्यूस करना पड़ता है कि दैट यस वी आर द ट्रू एंड द फर्स्ट इन्वेंटर ऑफ दिस, ट्रू एंड द फर्स्ट ओनर ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट। तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम उसके लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन पेपर निकाल के दे देते हैं कि यस दिस लैंड बिलोंग्स टू मी एंड दिस लैंड हैज़ बीन गिवन टू मी बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। सो सिमिलरली गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया आपको एक रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोवाइड करती है जिससे पता लगता है कि यस दिस पर्टिकुलर इंटेंजिबल प्रॉपर्टी बिलोंग्स टू मी। सो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टीज कितने तरह की होती है और क्या क्या यूज़ है उनके, वो जान लेते हैं। तो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी बेसिकली 6 तरह की होती हैं: पेटेंट्स, डिज़ाइन, ट्रेडमार्क्स, कॉपीराइट, ज्योग्राफिकल इंडिकेशंस एंड SICLGR। सो हम इन सब के बारे में जानेंगे एक एक करके इन डिटेल्स इन दिस स्लाइड्स। सो उससे पहले जान लेते हैं कि व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ IPR। सो हमने काफ़ी नाम सुने होंगे इंटेल के, क्वालकॉम या सैमसंग का। सो जब भी हमने पहला कंप्यूटर यूज़ किया होगा तो उसमें एक प्रोसेसर आता था इंटेल का। सो व्हाई इंटेल इज व्हाट इंटेल हैज डन टू कीप द कॉम्पिटिटर एट बे। सो इंटेल ने एक कटिंग एज टेक्नोलॉजी बनाई प्रोसेसर के मामले में जिसको उन्होंने पेटेंट करवाया और उस जैसा पेटेंट प्रोसेसर मार्केट में और कहीं अवेलेबल नहीं था, या फिर उनके जो कॉम्पिटिटर थे वो उतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी का वो प्रोडक्ट या प्रोसेसर नहीं बना पा रहे थे। सो इंटेल हैज मैनेज टू कीप देयर कॉम्पिटिटर्स एट द बे एंड विद और अपना फुटहोल्ड काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग किया उन्होंने प्रोसेसर्स के मामले में। सेम गोज विद सैमसंग। सैमसंग आज देखेंगे कि हर चीज़, सैमसंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, सैमसंग फ़ोन, सैमसंग प्रोजेक्टर्स, सैमसंग इन कंस्ट्रक्शन, Samsung is leading this way. Why? Because they are all working hard, very hard on their R&D so that उनका कंपटीशन कभी मार्केट में आ ही ना पाए, या फिर अगर आए तो उनके जैसी क्वालिटी या उनके जैसा प्रोडक्ट वो ना बना पाए। So IP is an essential asset, business asset in the knowledge of economy. So all the developed nation, they have worked very hard on their R&D so that developing nations can't match their economy. So how a developed nation or developing nation fighting for their IPR? As the director sir has said, the patent of turmeric. So we all know that turmeric has some antibacterial properties, or it has a medicinal benefits. So in 2005, American has patented the turmeric and its medicinal use. So after that, CSIR, which is an Indian organization, it has challenged that the patent cannot be granted because it is already been used in our Indian society as a medicinal benefits. So they use a traditional knowledge database and they get their patent revoked from the US. So ऐसी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं, काफ़ी सारे पेटेंटेड हैं प्रोडक्ट जो हम यूज़ करते हैं। We are always surrounded by the patent, but yet we are less explored with the concept of the patent. For suppose जो आप फ़ोन यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसमें काफ़ी सारी patented technologies हैं। The 4G, 5G technology we use, the camera you are using, the radio technology we use in the phone, everything is patented. But yet we don't know much about the IPR also. Also IP also protect the small firms like Rivigo. Rivigo is end-to-end delivery system. What Rivigo is doing, that it is changing the delivery management such that the seller and the buyer can ship their product at a very cheap price for the longer distance of time. Also आपने डॉल्बी का नाम तो सुना ही होगा। जब भी साउंड्स की बात आती है तो आपने देखा होगा कि उसमें आगे लिखा आता है डॉल्बी टेक्नोलॉजीज या डॉल्बी 5.1. So Dolby is a small firm which is constantly doing this R&D on the sound technology. So IP has small firms so that they can get a free hold in the market and they can stand and they can research and develop their product in the market. So one slide is there for the importance of IPR. So first one is the intermittent windshield wiper, which we are using in our cars now. So in the early 90s, the wiper was like Here you can see the wiper is moving with the rate of slowly, as you can move your wipers with the fast as soon as the rain, as soon as it's pouring. So earlier they are not moving at a pace, they are moving just like this, with a single pace. So in 1990, an inventor called Robert Kearns invented this intermittent shield wiper, in which you can adjust the speed of wiper as the consistency of the rain. So what happens is, Robert invented this intermittent wiper and goes to the Ford for the assembly of their wipers in the car. But what Ford has done is, Ford has cheated the Robert Kearns and started using its product without his consent, and the Robert Kearns cannot do anything for that usage. Although he has done one thing, that he patented his technology. So what he's done is, he filed a lawsuit against the Ford, and the lawsuit, after that 10 years, in 1990, he won the lawsuit, and at that time he got a compensation of $10.2 million from the Ford. Also, this safety seat belt which we are using in our car. So जब हम कार में बैठते हैं, तो first thing we do is we put our seat belts on. The seat belt was invented by Volvo. So what Volvo has done is, they have patented their technologies, but they made it free to use for everyone, because they think that instead of making profit from this patented invention, it is important to save life than to earn profit. So they make the patent free for everyone to use. So the seat belt which you are using in your cars right now is a free patent, and anyone can use that patent in their cars also. So I would like to tell you about the ease of doing business index and global innovation index, and its ranking, India's ranking in both of these index. So constantly India on 2016, it stand on 130th rank in ease of doing business, and in 2020 it is around 66. So you can see a sharp decline in ease of doing business. But why is that sharp decline in ease of doing business? Because India on innovation index is also declining, and India is innovating very fast. Also it is said that the India is fastest growing economy. Why? Because India is spending more on innovation and more on research and development, so that India can achieve the pace of developed nation, and India can be a well-developed economy. So also I would like to tell you about the patent granted in 2021. So as you can see, all these companies, they work very hard on their R&D. And why R&D is they working? Because they want their cutting edge technology to be the part of that company. अगर उनके पास आज कटिंग एज टेक्नोलॉजी होगी, तो वो आगे भी उससे प्रॉफिट कमा के लीड कर सकेंगे अपनी फील्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी में, और वो अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स को भी साइड रख पाएंगे, और कॉम्पिटिटर्स को भी एट लास्ट अगर उनको प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर करना है, तो कॉम्पिटिटर्स को भी उनको उनकी टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. विदाउट दैट इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू कॉम्पिटिटर्स का लाभ उनको नहीं मिल पाएगा. So as you can see, some big firms like IBM, Samsung, Canon, they are all working on their R&D, right? Also, the percentage of revenue spending on their R&D is that most of the companies, as you can see, they are overlapping from this slide to this slide, because everyone has सबको पता लग गया है कि विदाउट R&D दे कांट बी इन द मार्केट, और अदरवाइज दे कैन बी एट द बे लाइक नोकिया. जब एंड्रॉयड आया तो नोकिया का जो सिम्बियन OS था, नोकिया ने एंड्रॉयड को एक्सेप्ट करने से मना कर दिया, दैट देयर सिम्बियन OS इज वेरी गुड एंड दे डोंट नीड द एंड्रॉयड OS. सो एज वी ऑल नो दैट नोकिया इज नोवेयर इन द फील्ड ऑफ phone marketing. Why? Because they cannot deliver what a user want from what a user want. Okay. So how many IPs can a single product have? First one is trademark. The Samsung written here is a trademark of Samsung. The product name of this product is also trademark. The phone which you are using also has a brand name that is also already a trademark product. Copyright. So copyright is basically anything which comes with the phone, like the software, user manuals, ringtones, images that comes with the stock images that are already copyrighted by the companies, so that no one can use it. So as we know that there has been a war between Apple and Samsung over the interface, where Apple and Samsung are fighting that Apple has filed a lawsuit against the Samsung that Samsung has been using and copying their design of the interface, and Apple has won that lawsuit. So this is the importance of IPR, that no one else can use it without your permission. Patents. Data processing methods, operating systems on which it is running, and operation of user interface which you are using. For currently you are using Android, iOS or some other iOS, that is already patented. Design. The design of this overall phone, the orientation of these icons has been already protected under the Design Act. The position and shape of the screen, arrangement and shape of the bottom, this button shape has already been covered under the designs. And SICLD, which has recently introduced by the Government of India. SICLD is basically semiconductor integrated circuit and layout design. So suppose your phone is running on a motherboard, so there might be some electronic circuits which are placed on the motherboard so that they can perform the OS to be run on the particular motherboard. So how an idea can take a physical space? So first you have to use your resources, you have to use your brain, and you have to use your labor so that your idea can take shape of a physical property. So suppose आपके पास कोई मल्टी-बिलियनर आइडिया है, so आप उसको कैसे फॉर्म कर सकते हैं? तो आपको उस पर काम करना पड़ेगा, and you have to put your resources. Suppose अगर आपको कोई चीज़ बनानी है, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसके लिए आपको एक रॉ मटेरियल्स, आपको उस पर लेबर्स, सब कुछ यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, so that idea can take place a physical space. So what is also an importance and significance of IPR is that you can protect, and no one other than you can use the IPR without your consent. You exclude other from using it, and you can utilize it, commercialize it, and you can earn from that particular product or patent. So how many ways you can utilize it or commercialize it? So suppose you get a patent or you get a design from that product, so you can own use, and you can license and assign it to somebody on behalf of you, that they are making their product and give you a royalty on that product. Or you can franchise it to somebody so that on behalf of you they can make that product and give you the royalty. So royalty is something you can earn from that, from your patent or your design. So for a common person, suppose you are writing a report or you are writing publish a paper. So for you, it is the academic boost that yes, I have a paper published, I am writing a report, and it has been published in such and such published in front of learned societies. For a businessman, he can earn from that product, and he can make a brand value. So brand value is something companies are running for. So suppose कोलगेट. सो जब भी हमारे पास कोलगेट अभी खत्म हो जाता है, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ व्हेन वी गो टू द शॉपकीपर, वी आस्क फॉर द कोलगेट, नॉट फॉर द टूथपेस्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज कोलगेट हैज डन इट्स मार्केटिंग सच अ नाइस वे दैट instead of product name, we are using a generic brand name. Same with the Pepsodent and Colgate. Maggi also, instead of noodles, we are asking Maggi, that हमें Maggi चाहिए. So they are making their brand value from that patent or design. So let's talk about what is patent and what is the importance of patent in our day-to-day life. So a new product or a process which is having an inventive step and can be made or used in an industry can be patented. Here it is given that it is a legal language. So in simple words, anything which is new and having inventive step can be made or used in an industry can be patented. So suppose आपने कोई चीज़ बनाई, a problem, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आपने उठाई और उसका आपने सॉल्यूशन लिया, तो that solution can be patented. A solution to a problem can be patented. Problem कोई भी हो, चाहे छोटी से छोटी हो या बड़े से बड़ी, if you can able to solve it, you can file a patent for that application. So suppose in early ages where human has developed the wheel, so why they need a wheel? So for carry a large masses from one place to another, it is very hard for humans to carry it on their shoulders, on their backs. It also hurt them. So instead of carrying it on the shoulder, they have made a car with the wheels on it, so that they can easily transport their product from one place to another. So the transportation becomes easy. This is the example of in the early ages. So a patent can be as big as the airplane, can be as small as this paper clip. So paper clip, so when we are working under the fan with so many papers on it, so paper starts flying around here and there. So instead of flying around here and there, what we can do is we can tie them up with a paper clip, and that paper clip was a patented product. This bulb, which was invented by Alexander Graham Bell, which was one of the most famous inventor in their century. So what they did is with the fellow scientist, he saw that in night there is no light, and if people want to study and if people want to do their work, the daily chorus, there is no light. So from that problem he invented a bulb. After so many failures, he finally invented a bulb that can glow at night with the help of electricity. So there are some famous scientists and their inventions also. So Alexander has also invented the phonograph, the phone we use for calling. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. Wright brothers invented the flight which we are using for flying from one city to another. Louis Pasteur invented rabies vaccine, and Alexander Fleming also invented the penicillin, which is an antibiotic used in the medicines field. So an inventor can be anyone. For example, in this case, Michael Jackson is the inventor for this application. So we all know the iconic move of Michael Jackson, in which he is standing on the podium and can tilt a 45-degree angle without falling on it. So how is he able to do that? He has filed a patent for this shoes. You can see that here in this shoes there are so many grooves, and there is a nail in the podium. So when he moves to the podium with the nails get stuck to the shoes, and he can tilt up to the angle of 45 degree without falling. So Michael Jackson has 7 patents in his name. So if you want more about the patent and more about this patent, you can open this patent application number in Google Patents. So you can find all the details, how he is able to do it, and how there are others helping doing it, what is the procedure, what are the claims he claimed for this shoes. So we all are watching IPLs, right? So in every match we see that the old wicket which was made from woods are replaced by these kind of woods. So these kind of stumps helps umpire to determine whether a player is out or not out. How? Because as soon as the ball get up from the wickets, it's gonna lit up. So when the bases get lit up, the umpire get to know that whether the player has been made to the crease or not. So this is the patent application number. So fun fact about this patent is the inventor who invented this wickets get the contract with the ICC that only a one set of pair can be used in a single match, and a single wicket of pair costs around 30 to 45 lakhs. Okay, so for single match only a single wicket is used, and for another match ICC has to purchase these kind of wickets from the inventors again, and he is earning profit, very nice profit from this invention. So how this invention is drafted? So you can see the title of this invention: System for Indicating Movements of an article from one position of orientation to another position of orientation. So these are the legal language they use to get the scope broader and broader, so that they can claim most of the things from the inventions. So this is one of the finest example of the patent which we see. So these are the example of some famous Indian inventions. So earlier there we are in 90s. If you want to copy one data from computer to another, we are using floppy disk, right? Then we move on to compact disk, DVDs, and then we move on to the USB. So USB has been there for the market for like quite a few years. So what the USB has designed and developed by the Indian scientist, which was named by Ajay Bhatt. So what he does is a small remover storage device that can copy a data from one system to another. So after that we are using cloud computing, artificial intelligence, so that we don't need this kind of devices in our day-to-day life. So this is how technology grows, and in order to us to grow, we have to keep the pace with the technology, so that we don't get left behind with the technologies. So पहले हमारे पास हेडफोन जो आते थे, पहले हेडफोन्स बड़े वाले आते थे, फिर उसके बाद ईयरफोन्स आने लगे, फिर उसके बाद वायर हेडफोन्स आने लगे, अब ट्रूली वायरलेस हेडफोन आने लगे. सो दिस इज हाउ टेक्नोलॉजी ग्रोज. और टेक्नोलॉजी पहले टेक्नोलॉजीज काफ़ी महंगी हुआ करती थी. नाउ एज द कॉम्पिटिशन इंक्रीजेस, द क्वालिटी एंड द प्राइस also decreases with the advancement of technology. So this hepatitis vaccine. So hepatitis vaccine has already been developed in US also. But इंडिया में जिस साइंटिस्ट ने डेवलप किया, उन्होंने डेवलप करने के बाद उन्होंने काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल प्राइस पे उसको डेवलप किया, ताकि इंडिया में ये सबको प्रोवाइड किया जा सके. एज वी नो देयर आर सो मैनी कैंसर ड्रग्स जो काफ़ी कॉस्टली होते हैं. सो अगर आप में से कोई या फिर कोई भी फर्म उसको अफोर्डेबल प्राइस पे ले आ सकती है या बना सकती है, तो उसको भी पेटेंट ग्रांट किया जा सकता है. सो जब मैं बात कर रहा था प्रोफेसर से, तो उन्होंने बोला कि हमें फाइलिंग के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं पता है, तो आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर यू हाउ टू फाइल अ पेटेंट एंड what are the standard of filing a patent. दिस इज द वेबसाइट फॉर IP India. ओके, सो अगर आपको भी किसी भी पेटेंट के बारे में जानना है या पता करना है, सो जस्ट गो हियर, पब्लिक सर्च. अगर आपको पेटेंट के बारे में जानना है, दिस पेटेंट, ट्रेडमार्क्स, डिज़ाइन. सो एक ऐसा आपके सामने एक वेब पेज खुलता है. तो हियर यू कैन सी दैट यू कैन ईदर एंटर द टाइटल्स, यू कैन एंटर द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट और कंप्लीट स्पेसिफिकेशन, एप्लीकेशन नंबर, इंडियन पेटेंट एप्लीकेशन नंबर, and these all are the things by which you can find a patent. So suppose if so जैसे कि गूगल स्कॉलर एक साइट है, गूगल पेटेंट भी एक साइट है. सो हियर यू कैन कॉपी द एप्लीकेशन नंबर, then you can get each and every details of this application and where it has been filed. Okay, so जैसे कि आप रिपोर्ट पब्लिश करते हैं या कोई भी रिसर्च पेपर लिखते हैं, so there is a format like introduction, your related work, background of related work, your work done, and then conclusions, result, and there are references which references you have used to get that paper done. Okay, here यहाँ पे भी सेम ही होता है, बस उन टाइटल्स के नाम अलग हो जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल here we are starting with an abstract. Here we are starting with an abstract. So here we can see that an assembly for indicating a movement of an article used in a sporting activity from a first position of orientation. The circuit including a power source, sensing means responding to trigger an event. The event here is as soon as the base get off the wickets, it gets lit up. So the trigger here is the event. So patent drafting is like they are broadening their scope so that बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो उसमें ना भी कवर होती हूँ वो उसमें कवर हो जाए. Now here the description. So in the description it is divided in 5 parts. The background. So what is the background? Why there is a need of this invention here? So the background was that earlier the wicket was used, the umpire cannot be able to tell whether the bails are off the wicket or not. So here you can see more particularly, the invention provides a visual audible indication of an event in which an article used as a game equipment is displayed, such as deflection of a boundary marker or when a base is separated from a cricket stump. So there was a problem in the wickets and someone has noticed that problem, and from that problem he created a solution for it, and the solution for that solution he get that patented. Here you can see prior art. So what is prior art? Prior art is basically earlier how it is. In each sport there is an objective to be achieved and the rule which governs the conduct of sports. Detection of events which can determine a game outcome is essential. So काफ़ी सारे ऐसे भी डिसीजंस होते थे जो कंट्रोवर्शियल्स हो जाते थे कि ये आउट था या नहीं आउट था, बेल्स सेपरेट हुई कि नहीं हुई. तो उन सब को देखते हुए उन्होंने ऐसा प्रायर आर्ट में उसको बताया कि व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम इन द conventional wickets. Now the invention. How he has achieved to create such a stumps. Here there is a detailed invention of the working of that invention. So this is how the description of the invention has been drafted. So every description has been summarized by drawings. So drawings for the ease of the applicant, so that the examiners or the one who is examining it get a clear view of what is an application. So this is how he is explaining the figures. Then detailed descriptions. And then the claims. What he is claiming from the invention. So this is an example of foreign application. I am going to take an ordinary Indian application. So this is an Indian application. So here you can find that it is filed by the HCL and the title of the invention. So here we can see that there are so many forms and formalities. So form 1 is basically like this. So in form 1 you will get the formal information, like what is the name of the inventor, what is the name of the applicant, and what is the nationality of that applicant, what is the type of applications, like this. Here we can see the name of the inventors, name of the invention, and here declaration by the inventors that yes, we are the true and first inventor of this invention. And then details of complete specifications, claims, abstracts, drawings. So generally this is how our applications look like in the module. So here the applicant name HCL Technologies and the type of the nationality of this firm. So this is how we start actually. The title of the inventions and then descriptions. So here we can see that there is a technical field, background of the inventions. Background is what is the problem in the conventional systems. So here you can see that he has pointed out some problems. And then the summary of the invention. Then the brief discussion of drawings. So let me get to. So this is how our drawings look like. So here you can see that you cannot write anything on the drawing, you cannot explain anything on the drawing itself. You have to refer the drawing in the complete specification with the symbols like this, what this stands for, what this stands for. And here it is a flow chart, so you can write something in the flow chart. And for every embodiments, he has write the reference numeral so that he is explaining in the drawing. For example, this is the drawing number 1 here. Hello. Here we can see that figure 1 illustrates the functional body diagram of the invention. So we refer to the figure 1 here. That this is figure 1. Similarly, this is figure 2. So if you want to know about what this invention is, just go through the one of the flow chart and you will get to know that what is this invention doing, like what is the working of this invention. And after these drawings, you will get a detailed description of the drawings. And in the end, we can see what we are claiming from this invention. So the claim is basically what you have created, and now what you are claiming, so that the claims is the scope of the invention, that we are claiming this and this part, this and this particular embodiments of this inventions. After the claim, you have to write an abstract of your invention. So if you want to file a patent by yourself, then there is a e-filing of patent. Here you can create your account and file a patent by yourself. So there are two ways you can file a patent. First, yes?
What are the major steps taken by your patent department to make it simple process?
Take
this process simple.
So recently, in 2018, I think, the fees of the patent has been slashed for the this educational institute, startups, women inventor, and educational institute. Earlier, see, here you can see the fees for filing a patent for a natural for other than natural, like for a firm, for a company, is 8,000 for form 1 and 20,000